CEO monitor and check whether his or her business is on the right track for growth in this new decade. In the next few years and thereafter, we will see increasing levels of harmonization of truck platforms and technologies. This means a CEO must have a BRIC, North America, and Europe strategy, which encompasses diverse vehicle categories ranging from light commercial vehicles to mega trucks. As more and more propulsive power will be generated by advanced powertrain technologies such as hybrids, electrics, LNG, CNG, etc., the footprint of engines in a commercial truck will shrink. This will imply greater reliance on advanced turbochargers, control systems, and alternate propulsion technologies. There will be increasing levels of legislative action towards higher GVWR. This means that mega trucks will be in demand in Europe, North America, and also in Asia. Higher GVWR will not only imply mega trucks, but also more axles per truck in HCVs, that's heavy commercial vehicles, which is good news for axle, brake, and suspension systems and other chassis systems suppliers and manufacturers. Also, the probability of draconian regulations and business environments associated with cap and trade and similar legislations in the US or other markets cannot be ruled out. This implies that strategic proximities and partnerships offering active role in policy development must be pursued. Volatile energy prices and strengthening regulations will lead to unprecedented focus on form factor reduction in all areas of truck design. For the foreseeable future, alternative powertrain technologies will coexist. The key performance indicator is effective utilization of baseline technologies and deciding whether or not to target a given duty cycle or a vocation, looking at viability as a key parameter. And this is very important for market participants who are in the hybrid electric commercial vehicle market. The level of distributed electronics in commercial vehicle is rising exponentially, and therefore it is important to develop a multiplexed electronics foundation that enables networking of these advanced and disparate electronic systems. This will greatly facilitate the development and evolution of prognostics and other advanced applications. Finally, the more I talk to the CEOs of global truck makers about the challenges faced by them in this new decade, the more I see the commonality of their thoughts. Our research targeted at the CEOs of the largest truck makers in North America, Europe, and Asia indicates that mandate for them is to create a new business model for this new decade. This new model involves creation of revenue streams through leveraging of soft technologies, or in other words, intelligent and smart electronics-enabled technologies. Most CEOs tell us that they are interested more in a relational model than a transactional model, where the real transaction does not end when the truck is sold, but actually begins at that point. The mandate for most CEOs is to generate 15 to 20% of the revenues from the sale of a truck using soft technologies such as telematics, safety, regulation compliance support, advanced service, etc. Urbanization, globalization, and technology integration will all have rippling effects in all corners of this industry. Is your business up to speed and ready to embrace the change and embark on the right path through sustainable development in this complicated and complex business ecosystem is the burning question at the moment. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sandeep.